So right now, guys, we're going to practice strengthening our brains. You guys want to make your brains really strong?
Yeah.
Okay, let's practice this. I'm going to ring the bell, and I want you guys to listen to the sound of the bell as carefully and as closely as you can. It might even help you to close your eyes so you're only listening to the sound of the bell. And I want you to listen for as long as you possibly can. You keep your eyes closed while you can still hear the sound of the bell. When you can't hear it anymore, open your eyes so I can see. Okay? You guys ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it right now. Close your eyes. Let's all take a deep breath and listen as closely as you can. Nice job, my friends.